Hello guys, Lawrence. In this video, we're gonna start introducing scheduler in Yarn. This is, as I said before, this is the core of chapter 4. Okay, Yarn, the core components of Yarn is about scheduling. Okay, so there's a multiple types of a scheduler that can be used in Yarn. So let's get started. First of all, what is scheduling? Scheduling, in short, is for Yarn to fairly distribute the computing resources among multiple applications submitted. Okay, so at any time, a busy Hadoop classer should have multiple submissions of applications. Okay, and then Yarn, as we said before, is the resource manager. Yarn need to handle all these submissions of applications and try to allocate the resources for all of them and try to run them, get the results. So let's understand what is the problem about this scheduling. I draw a little chart for us to better understand this. So on the left-hand side, here is my Yarn. Okay, this big box is my Yarn. Assume the Yarn has 10 containers. Okay, and then on the right-hand side, there is a queue. I have 3 applications. Application 1, 2, 3 has been submitted to Yarn, and Yarn needs to allocate resources, okay, to run these applications. So application 1 is to see request 5 containers. Okay, so when Yarn received application 1, Yarn find, oh, I have 10 containers, so I give 5 containers to application 1. Application 1 is happy. No, application 1 gets slot to run. And application 2 comes in requesting for 10 containers. At this time, Yarn does not have 10 containers because he already used 5 for application 1. So Yarn has only 5 containers left. So application 2 cannot be scheduled right now. Okay, but at the same time, application 3 was submitted, and which only requested for 1 container. Okay, so here's the point that Yarn needs to make a decision. Either Yarn decide to wait, okay, for application 1 finish, so Yarn can collect 10 containers and run application 2, or Yarn can immediately give 1 container to application 3 and let application 3 to run immediately. Okay, so this kind of decision Yarn need to make is called the policy. So there should be a policy that Yarn need to use to make all the decisions about give container, assign containers to all the applications submitted. Okay, and those policy in general, we define 3 types of scheduler for this purpose. Scheduler basically means the set of policies, the general policies that Yarn used to schedule all the tasks that's been submitted. Okay, so this first video, we quickly introduce a scheduler, and then next several videos we're gonna explain more of the 3 types of scheduler.